The digital age is bursting with opportunities to share your skills and earn income. With the rise of online platforms, it's easier than ever to connect with people who need your expertise. Whether you're looking to tutor students, write compelling content, or offer specialized knowledge, there's a platform tailored just for you. Two platforms leading the charge are Studypool and ClearVoice. These platforms have revolutionized the way we think about freelance work and online tutoring. They provide a seamless interface for both clients and freelancers, making it easy to find and offer services. Whether you're a whiz at academics or a wordsmith extraordinaire, there's a place for you. Studypool is perfect for those who excel in academic subjects and enjoy helping others learn. ClearVoice, on the other hand, is ideal for creative writers and content creators looking to showcase their talents. Let's break down these platforms to see how you can unlock your earning potential. Studypool allows you to answer questions and provide tutoring services, while ClearVoice connects you with clients who need high-quality written content. Both platforms offer flexible schedules and the ability to work from anywhere. Studypool caters to those with a passion for teaching and a knack for various subjects. You can help students with homework, prepare them for exams, and even offer specialized knowledge in niche areas. The more questions you answer, the more you earn. ClearVoice, on the other hand, is a haven for creative minds eager to craft compelling content. From blog posts to marketing copy, you can find a variety of writing gigs that match your skills. The platform also offers tools to help you manage your projects and communicate with clients effectively. Both platforms offer unique ways to monetize your talents. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time freelance career, Studypool and ClearVoice provide the resources and opportunities you need to succeed. Let's dive deeper into each platform and explore how you can get involved. From setting up your profile to landing your first gig, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Get ready to turn your skills into income and join the growing community of online freelancers. Studypool is a haven for students seeking academic help, a place where they can find answers to their most pressing questions and gain clarity on complex topics. It's also a goldmine for those with knowledge to share, offering a unique opportunity to turn expertise into income. On this platform, students post their questions ranging from simple queries to complex problems, and tutors like you provide the answers and guidance they need. Imagine being able to turn your understanding of calculus, your mastery of history, or your eloquence in literature into a rewarding side hustle that not only helps others but also enriches your own life. Studypool enables you to do just that, providing a platform where your knowledge is highly valued and can be monetized effectively. Whether you're helping a student with a quick question or offering in-depth tutoring sessions, your expertise is always in demand. Studypool connects you with students eager to learn, creating a dynamic and interactive learning environment. It's a win-win situation. Students get the help they need to succeed academically, and you get to share your knowledge while earning money. The satisfaction of helping others achieve their academic goals is unparalleled. With Studypool, your knowledge truly becomes their gain, and in the process, you gain too. Becoming a Studypool tutor is all about showcasing your expertise. The application process is designed to highlight your qualifications and passion for teaching. While specific requirements may vary, Studypool values tutors with strong academic backgrounds. This could include a bachelor's degree, a master's degree, or even a PhD. Don't be discouraged if you're still pursuing your education, and what matters most is your ability to demonstrate a deep understanding of your chosen subject. Be prepared to showcase your knowledge and enthusiasm during the application process. Highlight your qualifications, your passion for teaching, and your commitment to helping students succeed. Studypool understands the value of your time and expertise. While specific payment details are not publicly available on the website, rest assured that you'll be compensated for your contributions. To learn more about payment rates and methods, it's best to reach out to Studypool directly. They can provide you with detailed information about how tutors are compensated for their services. Remember, your knowledge is a valuable asset. Studypool provides a platform for you to share that asset and earn while doing so. Section 5, ClearVoice, where words come to life. Now let's shift gears from the world of academics to the realm of content creation. If you have a way with words and a passion for crafting compelling narratives, ClearVoice might just be your calling. ClearVoice connects businesses in need of top-notch content with skilled writers who can bring their visions to life. From blog posts and website copy to ebooks and social media content, there's a vast array of writing opportunities available. Imagine your words captivating audiences, driving engagement, and helping businesses thrive. With ClearVoice, this vision can become a reality. Section 6. Joining ClearVoice, showcasing your writing prowess. Becoming a ClearVoice creator is all about demonstrating your writing skills and your ability to craft engaging content. It's not just about writing well, but also about understanding your audience and tailoring your content to meet their needs. Whether you're writing blog posts, articles, or social media content, your ability to engage readers is crucial. While specific application details are not readily available on the website, it's safe to assume that ClearVoice seeks writers who can produce high-quality original content. This means having a keen eye for detail, a strong grasp of grammar, and the ability to write in a clear, concise manner. Building a strong portfolio is key to showcasing your writing prowess. Gather your best work, highlight your experience, and make sure to include a variety of writing samples. This could include blog posts, articles, white papers, and even social media content. The more diverse your portfolio, the better. Be prepared to demonstrate your ability to create content that resonates with audiences. This means not only writing well, but also understanding what your audience wants to read. Pay attention to feedback and be willing to adapt your writing style to better meet the needs of your readers. Remember, ClearVoice prides itself on its network of talented creators. By joining this network, you gain access to a community of like-minded individuals who are all dedicated to producing high-quality content. This can be a great source of inspiration and support as you continue to develop your writing skills. By presenting your skills effectively, you can join their ranks and unlock a world of writing opportunities. Whether you're looking to write full-time or just want to pick up some freelance work on the side, ClearVoice offers a platform where you can showcase your talents and connect with clients who need your expertise. Section 7. Earning with ClearVoice. Your content, your worth. ClearVoice understands the value of quality content, and they believe in compensating their creators fairly. While payment specifics are not publicly available, you can expect to be rewarded for your contributions. To learn more about payment rates, methods, and factors that influence earning potential, it's best to reach out to ClearVoice directly. They can provide you with detailed information about how creators are compensated for their work. Remember, your writing skills are valuable. ClearVoice provides a platform for you to showcase those skills and earn a living doing what you love. Section 8. Conclusion. Your skills, your choice. Whether you're a master of academics or a wordsmith extraordinaire, StudyPool and ClearVoice offer unique opportunities to monetize your talents. These platforms empower you to take control of your earning potential and share your skills with the world. Take the time to explore each platform, understand their requirements, and see how they align with your skills and aspirations. The digital age is brimming with possibilities, and it's up to you to seize them. Remember, your skills are valuable. Don't be afraid to share them with the world and reap the rewards.